Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make a hit game. When there is a sprite here that's flying over here, and you must hit the sprite. So today we are going to be learning how to make a, a hit game. That's what it's called in Scratch. Okay, so first thing we need to make the enemy. First thing we need to put a backdrop. We go to the backdrops. We add a backdrop here. I would like it to be bedroom 3. And now we would need to let the main character that's shooting the bad boy to be the cat. So first thing we take when green flag is pressed and the forever block, and we go to the motion. We let it point towards the mouse pointer, or we can say your finger because it's a tablet, and go to mouse pointer. We need it to stay here, but this is the problem. When you do it, it's gonna do like that. So I know how to. So now we will know how to fix this problem. We set the y to minus 150, and there you go. And yep, what's the problem? Because we have point towards. The point towards isn't really necessarily we need it. But wait, I need to make towards mouse pointer. Need to make him point direction 90. And now we don't need to let him literally just seeing. And now we made our sprite walk. Good. Now we need to make the bad boy or the enemy. I'm gonna make the enemy be Abby. We're gonna need to make it smaller. I'm gonna make it 75. Now we needed to go from x negative till x positive. Now if you don't know the x is if you don't know the x and y is up and bottom, and x is right and left. Like if it's here, it's x negative. If it's from the left, it's x negative. Or if it is from the right, it's x positive. Now we need to put the when green flag pressed forever. We're gonna let Abby here glide from here to here, and we need to put no, not go to, then put the glide. And I'm gonna put a weight block. 0.1 would be great. It's great. Now we press, and here we go. Now your character, now the enemy can go from one place to another, and your character can walk. Now there is a problem. We need, when I press on the cat, it's gonna throw something. I'm gonna let it throw baseballs. That's how you do the code. Okay, you need to make when the cat is pressed, it's gonna broadcast message 1. And this one, like when you receive a mail or you receive a message in WhatsApp, this is the same. Broadcast is the same. This one, now when it's pressed, now the cat is pressed. Now the cat is pressed and it's broadcasting for the tennis ball. Now the tennis ball should do something when it receives, because it's not doing something. Okay, it's gonna first thing do, we're gonna hide the baseball. It's first thing it should do, it would go to sprite 1 or the cat, let's call it cat. Go to cat, and in the looks it would show. Now it would repeat until. Now we need to make it walk. Here, as you see, I'm gonna make it 30 because it's not X. We're gonna make the Y 30 because it needs to hit as what we said. The Y is up and the X is down. I mean, the Y is up and down and the X is right and left, as we said. 30, so the Y would be 30. Negative Y is down, and this is not negative because it doesn't have a minus. It's now going up. Okay, now we would need, when it touch one of them, it's gonna repeat until, no, not this one. It's gonna repeat until let's go to the sensing, touching. It's gonna repeat until touching the edge. That means when it's touching here, it's need to go back to the cat. Repeat until touching edge and touching Abby. And now we need this ball to go back to the cat. And we already have the, you double click if you have a laptop, but if you have a tablet, just keep clicking on it, and then you will, and then it will duplicate, and then we put the hide. Okay, now let's see. Great. Now Abby is getting hidden, but nothing is happening for Abby. If you want, you can go to the sounds, start sound pop, and you need to put the when the green flag is clicked, but it's making the sound pop only when I press the green flag. So how can we do it? We're gonna put the if then block. We put the forever block so it works. I don't know why it doesn't work if we put it by itself. For everybody it will happen this. If then, it would, now we would let Abby. If then touching baseball, play sound pop. Okay, now we're gonna let it touch the baseball. So hard. Why do I? Yeah, it made the sound pop. But we won't, like other games, sometimes you hit something and it becomes red. So that's what we will do. We're gonna go fill it with red. No. We're gonna duplicate, or we take from here and fill it with red. Good. Oh wait, this is monstrous. It's a monster. And it's great now. Now we're gonna let in the code. When the green flag is pressed, switch costume to Abby 1. And here, if then, if then touching baseball, if then touching baseball, then start sound pop and then switch to Abby A2, or we can say the hitting. Oh, wait. Wait for a sec. Something bad happened. Okay. Why can't I take? Okay, leave it here. Great. Let's make that. Now let's see. We press the. And wait, there's something very bad. It stays red, and then we continue hitting it, and then it stays red. We're gonna put a weight block 0.1. We put it here, and we switch the costume to Abby A. Now it would be perfect. Okay? Now. Great. Bye guys. If you like this video, subscribe and like this video and press the notification button. Bye.